Welcome to, or welcome back to, the Nasdaq Scalping Bot channel. In this channel, I show you how it goes with the Nasdaq Scalping Bot I created in Python, my first Python program. And today we're going to look at what are the results, what are the things that I changed, and did the bot functions as it should be. And as we dive in, we can see that the bot made a nice profit today. It's not a mega profit, but it made profit. And that's what I'm happy for. That's what it should be. And let's take a look at the first step, because I think that for YouTube, it's going to be a very short video. But for the live streamers, I will continue and keep on informing you what is going on in the live stream. Did I change something on the code today? No, I did not. There were no changes in the code. And yet, if you look at the code, you see that the bot started today at 5 to 11. Almost 11 o'clock. And that's not because I did restart the bot, but it wasn't my cause. It was that the market, the API, gave me, after 9 consecutive attempts to get some market information, the bot went down. And it went down exactly at the most vulnerable point, right before it should start a new sequence with getting marked information, going through the update of the candles, and then going through the strategy, and then yes or no, make a buy and log it all. Right at that point, it didn't work and the bot killed itself. But until then, the bot was working perfectly. That's why I had to restart the bot. But until then, there was no reason in coding wise to change something in the coding. And that was it for the coding. Like I said, it's gonna be a short one because there is no coding changes and there is nothing much more to do. Then look at the bot, and if we look at the bot, you see that the bot works perfectly. I tested and it survived a full night, as in the sleeping mode, and then came back to life and went on for this morning until there was a failure with the API. But even there wasn't a failure with the API, it would still run like now, and that would mean that it can run for 24 hours. So I'm hoping that for now we can say, okay, let's go on. Let's see how tomorrow goes. And if the bot can keep working day after day after day. And then for the third part, let's see how the bot did and how the market went, and did we make profit. And if you look at the bot, you see right down here, we made almost 8 euro profit. That is not much, I know, but it is profit. And it means that if I recalculate it times 10, because the contract size was only 0.1, so if this would be times 10, then we're talking about almost 80 euros in a day for now. And yeah, when I'm talking about one is 10 times this, then the profit will be larger too. It will not in the same measurements. But I'm happy. The bot is profitable again. That's what we're looking for. And the bottom line, not the bottom line, but the bottom margin, as when should the bot start with making a buy or making a sell and not doing anything when the market is slow, that margin could maybe a bit higher, maybe, but for now, as I look at it and how we went through the day, I don't think that I need to adjust that threshold for a new margin, because we did good. And what did we do? So let's take a look at the market and the market report of today. Well, the market today was up. And you know, if you looked at yesterday, you saw that I moved the purple line up to here, as in this is the new all-time high. But now, if you look today, we went up way more. So we made up, we were at 21,271, and we're now at 21,271, and we're now at 21,490. Almost 220 pips points go up. It's amazing. We're going up, and I'm going to reset the new all-time high to this point. So this is the new all-time high, the second time we increased the all-time high within 1 week. And I'm looking at the date, it's 4th of December. It's December 4th for the Americans, yes, but it's 4th of December. And it means that, are we early with the Santa rally? I don't know. It could be. But yeah, let's see if it goes up even more. But I don't care, up or down, the bot works perfectly. So let's look at the results of today. And if we look at the results of today, we see we had a nice number of positions opened, and we made the smaller ones at 1:30 and 4:30 in the morning, and in the night some smaller ones 2 cents and 44 cents. Then some minor losses of 63 cents, 68 cents, 70 cents, and it is €1.11. And then during the day and at the market opening, we went up with 133 and some other larger amounts, but not too large. There were no take profits, but there were also no stop losses. So the market went up gradually, and the bot reacted perfectly to this. So it's perfect for me. And so I can say that we ended yesterday at 398 euros, and now we should go a 7 up. So we should be, get over here. Okay, we are at 403, almost 400, no, not almost, it's 403. So 403 from 398, €6, perfectly. I'm happy, it's good, and let's see how the bot goes. And I know it's small numbers, and we have small numbers because we have a contract size of 0.1. So that isn't a large contract size. So we need to wait for to be a bigger contract size, and then we will make bigger profits. I can say I hope, but I think it's gonna be so. What also means that there is no changing in the code. The bot is working perfectly, and the third party is we made profit. That means that there are no excuses for me now to say, the bot didn't work, and that's why we made losses today. No, the bot works perfectly. So if there are losses during a day of at the end of the day, it's not because of the bot, then the losses is up to the strategy I use with the 3 candles and the MACD and the average growth, etc., all the strategy I implemented, and that's the only strategy. As really, it's not that complicated strategy. It's the MACD in combination with 3 candles going up or going down, and then by calculating the average, I prevent that there will be a position opened when there's a slow market. So I'm thinking about what will be in all the other videos for the next couple of days and for the next week, when all we can do is wait until the bot makes more profit, better profit, and that we go up, that's the next target, and we go back up to 1,000 euros. It means that the bot needs to make from this point on another 600 euros to prove itself that it's really good working and that we can switch to real money and start with making real passive income for everyone who wants to join. So this was it for today, the daily report, and there's nothing more to report. So if you like the video, press a like. If you want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button. Don't be afraid to leave a comment. I react to all the comments within a reasonable time, and you can look at me right now on Twitch and talk to me about the bot and the progress we are making. And if you don't have the time to see me on Twitch, there's also a Discord channel, and in the Discord channel you can see what is going on with the bot also, and you can talk to me about the bot, about the market, or about Python, whatever you like around this topic. You're welcome to join me there. And oh yeah, there is a Patreon, etc. But yeah, it's there, and it's also a link in the description. But there's nothing special about it. It is there, and that's it. So all I have to say is have a little fun every day. See you tomorrow.